morning student, welcome to our maths channel. In this one, intermediate second year maths 2B calculus part, definite integrals, integration topic, definite integrals. Now differential equation 6 parts completed. Today 7th part, which is the last part, because of 30% syllabus reduces. In that reduced syllabus we have homogeneous and also non-homogeneous linear differential equation. That's why I am ending with this class only, that is variable separable. In this variable separable, last few problems. Okay. In that one, example 14. Solve dy by dx plus 1 equal to e power x plus y. In the solution, take the given equation as is. Dy by dx plus 1 equal to e power x plus y. Okay. In order to solve this one, we need to take the assumption that is let x plus y equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay. So derivation of x is 1. Derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Okay. So take the given equation as 1, assumption 2. Next we get 1 plus dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Now substitute 2 and 3 in 1. Substitute 2, 3 in 1. Okay. Now from first equation, 1 plus dy by dx equal to dt by dx. In the place of 1 plus dy by dx plus 1, substitute dt by dx. dt by dx equal to e power x plus y. X plus y assumption t. Okay. In order to solve this one, do the cross multiplication. Okay. So dt by dt equal to e power t into dx. Okay. Here e power t taken into the opposite side, 1 by e power t. 1 by e power t into dt equal to dx. Now 1 by e power t can be written as e power minus t into dt equal to dx. Now this function in terms of t with respect to t only, here completely with respect to dx. That's why take integration both sides. Okay. So integration of e power minus t dt equal to integration of dx. Integration of e power minus t with respect to t, e power minus t by minus 1. Integration of there is no term, nothing but we have 1. So integration of 1 is x plus c. Okay. So this can be written as minus e power minus t equal to x plus c. Minus e power minus t taken into the opposite side, e power minus t plus x plus c equal to 0. In the place of t, substitute x plus y. Okay. Therefore, required general solution is, in the place of t, substitute x plus y. E power minus of x plus y plus x plus c equal to 0. That's the solution. Okay. Try it out. Students, next continuation. dy by dx, example 9. dy by dx equal to sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. This one is very important. So many times repeated in an intermediate public examination. Either 7 marks or 4 marks. Okay, very important. In order to solve this one, we need to take the assumption. First, take the given that dy by dx equal to sine of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. Okay, take this is the first equation. Okay, so to solve this one, take the assumption let x plus y equal to t. Take this is the second equation. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivation of x is 1. Derivation of y with respect to x is dy by dx equal to derivation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. Okay. Now from this only dy by dx equal to plus 1 taken into the opposite side minus 1. dt by dx minus 1. Take this is the third equation. Now substitute 2 and 3 in 1. Substitute 2 and 3 in first equation. Now from the first equation, what we take here x plus y equal to t, we get dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Substitute these two values in the first equation. dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 1. dt by dx minus 1 equal to sine of x plus y equal to t now. X plus y here also. That's where we get sine t plus cos t. Sine t plus cos t. Okay. Now continuation. dt by dx equal to minus 1 taken into the opposite side plus 1. 1 plus sine t plus cos t. Do the cross multiplication. We get dt equal to 1 plus sine t plus cos t into dx. But here with respect to x, but all terms in terms of t. In order to use the variable separable method, we need to divide one side completely in terms of t or y with respect to x or t. Next here completely with respect to x. That's why product term taken into the opposite side by 1 plus sin t plus cos t into dt equal to dx. Now take integration both sides. Because of completely in terms of t with respect to t, completely in terms of x, take integration both sides. Integration of 1 by 1 plus sin t plus cos t into dt equal to integration of x. To solve this one, this can be written as like this: 1 plus cos t plus sin t into dt equal to integration of 1 x. There is no term 1 is there, obviously. That's why integration of 1 is x plus c. Now continuation. To solve this one, we need to simplify. This is in the form of 1 plus cos t. That can be written as 1 plus, if we treat it as 2 into t by 2. Okay. So in order to understand clearly, write down like this: 1 as is cos t. Cos t can be written as 2 into t by 2. Okay. Plus sin t. Sin can be written as 2 into t by 2. 2 cancel sin t as is, 2 cancel cos t as is. Now this is in the form of 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Here theta means t by 2. So integration of 1 by 2 cos square t by 2 plus. This is in the form of cos 2 theta. What is the formula for cos 2 theta? Sin 2 theta. What is the formula for sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. That's why 2 sin theta means here t by 2. 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 into dt equal to x plus c. Okay. Now in the denominator, from 2 terms common like 2 cos square t by 2 is common. Total term is common, remaining term 1 only. Okay. Now here 2 common. In cos square, cos t by 2, we need 2 common, cos square t by 2. But here only 1 cos. That's mean in order to do common cos square t by 2, multiply and divide with cos t by 2. Then cos t by 2 into cos t by 2, cos square t by 2, that is common, remaining term write in the denominator. Into dt equal to x plus c. Now this can be written as this 2 cos square t by 2 taken into the numerator, 1 by 2 cos square t by 2. 1 by 2 cos square t by 2 by 1 plus sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. Sin theta by cos theta, very good, tan theta. So tan t by 2 into dt equal to x plus c. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by cos square theta. Anyone? Very good. Secant square t by 2. Secant square t by 2 whole by 1 plus tan t by 2 into dt equal to x plus c. Now just take the denominator as f of x. 1 derivation 0, tan t by 2 derivation secant square t by 2, secant square t by 2 into internal function 1 by 2. That means this is in the form of f dash x by integration of f dash x by f of x dx. What is the formula for this one? Very good. Log of f of x. Log of f of x plus c. Okay. So log of f of x. F of x means 1 plus tan t by 2 equal to x plus c. Finally, we take here assumption x plus y equal to t now. So that's why in the place of t substitute x plus y. So that's why log of 1 plus tan x plus y by 2 equal to x plus c. That is the end of solution. Is it clear? Just solve this one. We need to take x plus y equal to t. After that we get dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 1. Substitute these two values in the first equation, where the equation reduced into the form of dt by dx equal to 1 plus sin t plus cos t. So in order to use the variable separable method, the process is one side completely in terms of t with respect to t, other side completely in terms of x only. So clearly this LHS in terms of t only, that's why take integration both sides, then we get the solution. Here we use the formula in this step, f dash x by f of x. Integration of f dash x by f of x formula is log of f of x plus c. This one is most important. Okay, write down. Students, next continuation, example 16. This is also same model previous. In that one, we take assumption x plus y equal to t, but here in order to solve this one, we need to take y minus x equal to t. Okay. So in the solution, take the given problem as is. Given that dy by dx minus x into tan y minus x equal to 1. Take this is the first equation. Okay. Let y minus x equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay. So derivation of y dy by dx minus x derivation 1 t derivation with respect to x dt by dx. From this, only dy by dx equal to minus 1 taken into the opposite side plus 1 plus dt by dx. Take this is the third equation, this one is second equation. In order to get the solution, substitute 2 and 3 in 1. Substitute 2, 3 in 1. From the first equation, dy by dx. From this, third equation dy by dx value 1 plus dt by dx. 1 plus dt by dx minus x into tan y minus x equal to assumption t. equal to 1. Here plus 1, opposite plus 1 cancel. Now from this dt by dx equal to minus x tan t taken into the opposite side plus x tan t. Okay. Do the cross multiplication. Product tan t taken into the opposite side by 1 by tan t into dt equal to x into dx. Now completely in terms of t with respect to t. Completely in terms of x with respect to x. That's why take integration both sides. Okay. So integration of 1 by tan t means cot t. Cot t into dt equal to integration of x dx. Here very simple. What is the integration of cot t? Anyone? Very good. Log of sin t. Integration of cot x is log of sin x. That's mean log of sin t equal to integration of x square by 2 plus c. So finally t is replaced by y minus x because of our assumption y minus x equal to t now. That's mean log of sin of y minus x equal to x square by 2 plus c. That kind of the solution. It's a very simple problem. Okay, write down. Students, next continuation. Example given. This is also same model. That's why I am explaining. Solve dy by dx equal to x minus 2y plus 1 by 2x minus 4y. So given that dy by dx equal to x minus 2y plus 1 by 2x minus 4y. Okay. So to solve this one, x minus 2y plus 1 by, in the denominator 2 is common or not? That's why if 2 is common from the denominator, what are the remaining terms? From 2x 2 is common, remaining term x. From 4 by 2 is common, remaining term 2y, which is dy by dx equal to, take, this is the first equation. To solve this one, let x minus 2y equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivation of x 1, 2 into y derivation dy by dx. T derivation with respect to x dt by dx. Okay. Here we have only dy by dx now. That's why from this find out the dy by dx value. So that's why 1 plus dt by dx taken into the opposite side minus, here minus 2 dy by dx taken into the opposite side plus 2 dy by dx. From this only dy by dx equal to product 2 taken into opposite side by 1 by 2 into 1 minus dt by dx. Take, this is the third equation. Okay. Now to get the solution, substitute 2, 3 values in first equation. What is 2 here? X minus y equal to t is 2. Next, dy by dx value 3. So substitute 2 and 3 in 1 from the first equation. Dy by dx value 1 by 2 into 1 minus dt by dx. 1 minus dt by dx equal to x minus 2y. X minus 2y equal to t now. That's why t plus 1 by 2d. X minus 2y equal to t. Here 2 get cancelled. From this 1 minus dt by dx equal to remaining term t plus 1 by t. Okay. From this 1 minus t plus 1 by t taken into the opposite side minus dt by dx taken into the opposite side plus dt by dx. Okay. Do the LCM, t minus t plus 1 by t. Do the LCM, t is the LCM now. That's why dt by dx. Here plus t minus t cancel. Remaining minus 1 by t. Okay. Do the cross multiplication. Minus 1 into dx equal to t into dt. Okay. So completely x terms with respect to x, completely t terms with respect to t. That's why take integration both sides. Take integration both sides. Okay. So integration of minus 1 dx equal to integration of t dt. Okay. So from this integration of minus 1 minus x equal to t square by 2 plus c. Okay. Minus x taken in the opposite side plus x. The required general solution is t. What is t here? Assumption x minus 2y, substituting that one. So finally x minus 2y whole square by 2 minus x taken into opposite side plus x plus c equal to c. That's the end of the solution. Okay. Right. Next continuation in 8th exercise, 6th question. This one is the last problem in that exercise. dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. This is also very important for 4 marks. Few times repeated in IB examination. That's why listen carefully. In solution, given that dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. From this, only dy by dx, to solve this one, only dy by dx plus term taken to the opposite side minus y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Okay? Do the cross multiplication. We get 1 by y square plus y plus 1 into dy equal to by dx taken to the opposite side into dx minus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Okay? Take integration. Completely y terms with respect to y, completely x terms with respect to x. That's why take integration both sides. Take integration both sides. Integration of 1 by y square plus y plus 1 into dx equal to minus of integration of 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. Just observe, this one is in the form of integration of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx form, method 1. So we need to transform into the form of a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. That's why in order to get in order to reduce into the form of a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square, in order to reduce into this form, here a square x square plus 2ab. So that's why integration of 1 by y square to a value y. Clear? So by writing 1 by 2, the total product equal to y. That's why we need to write into 1 by 2. Okay? So 2 cancel y into 1, y as is. So a square plus 2ab. B means 1 by 2. That's when we need b square term. That's why add b square and subtract b square, remaining value plus 1 as is into dx. Into dy here, dy. Next, same model here. Transform, reduce into the form of a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. So 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 2. B value 1 by 2 now. That's why 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 as is into dx. Okay. Now the first 3 terms can be written in the form of, this is the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's why that can be written in the form of a plus b whole square. That's why a value y, b value 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. First write down positive term, minus 1 by 2 whole square means minus as it is 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 into d equal to integration of minus 1 by a square plus 2ab plus b square. That can be written as a plus b whole square now. That's why x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 minus 1 by into dx. Okay. So integration of 1 by y plus 1 by 2 whole square. Do the LCM. 4 into 1, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. Okay. So 3 by 4 into d equal to minus of integration of, here also same, x plus 1 by 2 whole square. LCM 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 by 4 into dx. Okay. Integration of 1 by y plus 1 by 2 whole square. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 can be written as root 3 by 2 whole square of s into d equal to minus of integration of 1 by x plus 1 by 2 whole square 3 by 4. That can be written as root 3 by 2 whole square into dx. Okay. Now, if we integrate y plus 1 by 2 as x, this is in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula for integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx? Formula is 1 by a tan inverse of x by 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Okay. So here a value root 3 by 2. So 1 by a, 1 by root 3 by 2. Tan inverse of x value y plus 1 by a. Tan inverse of x by a value root 3 by 2 equal to same minus 1 by root 3 by 2. 1 by a. Here also this one is also in the same model form. 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a means root 3 by 2, tan inverse of x means x plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus. Okay. Now this can be 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3 tan inverse of, do the LCM, 2y plus 1 by 2 whole by root 3 by 2. Here minus root 3 by 2 taken into the numerator, 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by 2 whole by root 3 by 2 plus 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Okay. Now minus 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 taken into the opposite side plus. So remaining 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2y plus 1. 2y plus 1 by root 3. Minus term taken into the opposite side plus tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 equal to c. Okay. Right. In these two terms, 2 by root 3 common remaining. First write down the x term, tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse of 2y plus 1 by root 3 equal to c. After that 2 by root 3 taken into the opposite side, root 3 c by 2. So required general solution. Required general solution is tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse of 2y plus 1 by root 3 equal to c. That's the end of the solution. This one is important for 4 marks. Any more doubts, students? Very simple. Clearly, here we use a variable separable only. But in order to get the solution, this is in the formula model. That means method 1, integration topic, method 1, which is integration of, clearly, can you remember that one? Rewind once, ax square plus bx plus c dx. Method 1. So in method 1 processing, so reduce ax square plus bx plus c into the form of a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. After that reduced into the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square, integration of 1 by x square minus a square, in other integration of 1 by a square minus x square. We use the proper formula, then we get the solution. Okay, right. That's the end of this topic, variable separable method, and also not only this topic, this chapter also, after reducing the 30% syllabus, this differential equation completed. Okay, so because of we have some more problems. That means in differential equation, after completion of variable separable method, we have homogeneous HDE, homogeneous differential equation, non-homogeneous differential equation, and also linear differential equation. Okay, but so 30% reduced topic is this only. That's why remaining topic in differential equation, formation of DE, variable separable method. So in 7 parts, the two topics completed. Okay, that's why this differential equation topic completed after reducing the 30% syllabus. Is it clear? So not only this differential equation. So in 2B, from for this video, total calculus part completed. Okay, students, thank you for watching my classes. If you like my classes, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you so much.